Crack the context. Mastering main ideas in English. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting lesson in your English language learning journey. Today, we're going to delve deep into an essential listening comprehension strategy, identifying main ideas. But not just that, we're going to focus on a key technique to make this easier, that is, using context clues to identify main ideas. This strategy is going to be a game changer for your English listening skills, so stay tuned. Before we dive into context clues, let's ensure we all understand what we mean by the main idea. The main idea is the central, most important point that the speaker or writer wants to convey. It's the primary message, the big picture. In contrast, supporting details are additional pieces of information that elaborate on or support this main idea. So, what are context clues? Context clues are pieces of information that appear near or around a word or phrase and offer direct or indirect suggestions about its meaning. In the context of listening for main ideas, they are the hints or cues in the speech that can guide us towards understanding the overall message. Now, these clues could be in the form of repeated ideas, emphasized points, examples, or even the speaker's tone of voice. To harness the power of context clues, follow these steps. Step 1. Active listening. Pay full attention to what's being said. It sounds simple, but remember, understanding begins with listening. Step 2. Listen for clues. Pay close attention to repeated words or ideas. Speakers often emphasize their main points through repetition. Step 3. Note the speaker's tone. The speaker's tone of voice can give a clue about what they think is important. If they sound enthusiastic or serious, they might be conveying a key point. Step 4. Look for summaries or conclusions. If the speaker summarizes or concludes their points, those are usually the main ideas. Step 5. Make connections. Try to connect the different points the speaker is making. They will usually revolve around a common theme, the main idea. Remember, practice is key. The more you practice listening for context clues, the better you'll become at identifying main ideas. And there you have it. You're now well on your way to improving your English listening skills, specifically identifying main ideas using context clues. Remember, this is a strategy, and strategies need practice. So, listen to as many English conversations, speeches, or podcasts as you can, and put this technique to the test. As always, it's been a pleasure helping you on your language learning journey. Keep practicing, and you'll see improvement before you know it. Until next time, happy learning!